In this question, you have to identify poles A, B and C, D by just observing the magnetic field directions. For example, in P diagram, the magnetic field lines are moving from A magnet towards the B magnet, whereas in the Q diagram, the magnetic field lines are repelling each other. That is, it is not moving towards each other but moving away from each other. And one of the property of magnetic field line that it is moved from north to south pole, which proves that A is the north pole and it is moving towards the south pole. So now we will prove this by this activity. So I have taken two bar magnets. You can see both are of opposite pole. In one case there is a one dot is there, and in another case there is no dot, which means these two poles are different, and since they are attracting each other, which means these two poles are different. Now what kind of magnetic field we can observe in this case? We just place these iron fillings over it and we will observe the direction of magnetic field. How these field lines are moving? They are moving from one magnet to another. You can observe here in the center space, they are just moving towards each other. So this is the P diagram which we obtain when both the bar magnets are of opposite poles, because they are attracting towards each other, and we get such kind of diagram here. You can compare this. And one more point, in this P diagram, the A is here north pole because magnetic field lines move from north to south, and B here is the south pole. Now what happened if we take two opposite poles? So these two are the opposite poles. When we place to each other, they just repel each other. Just for example, now it is repelling. When I am just moving it towards it, it is repelling. So I have just placed these same poles near to each other, and then I will spread the iron fillings and we will observe the empty space between these two similar poles, because magnetic field lines repel each other. They are not moving from one magnet to another. They are moving away from the magnet. In the center we get the empty space here. So from this activity we concluded that A is the north pole and B is the south pole, because magnetic field line is moving from A to B. Similarly, in case of C and D, the magnetic field lines are moving away from the poles. That is, C is the north pole and D is also the north pole here.